Hi all, so welcome back to my channel and this is Govardhan Penny. Just give me a minute. Yeah, so basically let's quickly move on to why we are here. That's about the market analysis. Let me just quickly bring up the Nifty screen for you. Right now, if you see actually, we are trading around 838 is the last updated time, and then we are trading around plus 76 odd points. That is a slight gap up to Friday's close. Then, oh yeah, happy Monday. Okay, so let's take a quick look about how markets have panned out on Friday with respect to Nifty primarily first. We had a good gap up on Friday morning and then followed by a very much range boundary with heavy volatility is what I must say until afternoon. Post that it was just in a consolidation zone. So we are more or less opening around Friday's high probably today around that point, and then or actually lower than that. 569 is what it's trading, and then Friday's close was around 620. So if you're actually down by 50 odd points, uh, then let's quickly take a look about the immediate resistance and support. So first resistance for us on the upside would be 16,750, then followed by, let me just quickly make this into red color for you, and followed by immediate resistance of 16,830. So this is where immediate resistance lies, then followed by 16,600 definitely, which is a psychological support because we will be opening in and around that, and immediate support follows at 16,450 460 levels, followed by, not wrong, yeah, this would be the immediate support again, 16,000 odd levels. So as of now we are in a very much narrow zone until we break 16,450 on the downside or 16,750 on the upside. So that's a 300 point zone that we are stuck in for the past 2 odd days if you actually see. So on 10th of March we had a roughly 250 point move where the low was 16,447 and the high was 16,757, which is what we are speaking roughly. And on the next day 16,700 followed by 16,470. So it's roughly the 300 point zone that we are stuck in. And then absolutely on the global front they are pretty much news kicking in, so we need to stay cautious on that front. But that aside, I think we are pretty much up for a range bound to a slightly volatile session is what I must say, unless a big announcement that comes in on the global front where we actually see decent direction in the market. So that's a quick note on Nifty, but let's quickly take a look about how the OI is also placed for Nifty. So this is Nifty OI. Right now, since we closed around 16,600 odd levels, let's see around those levels. So we actually see the delta is around 0.5. This honestly decent premium is what I can say. 250 for a spot where the ITM is approximately 30 odd rupees. So yes, and if you move as far as 17,000, there's still a 73 rupees premium. Yes, today is Monday, so there'll be a decay coming in towards end of the day and tomorrow. Also the weekend decay, these prices haven't factored in. Once the market opens in, you'll find the weekend decay also being factored in. So that's again another point. That aside, 16,500 450 is where we spoke, and this heavy put writing over there, and then again 16,600 16,700 16,800 and 17,000 we have heavy call writing present. So on the upside, unless a clear cut news comes in, actually you won't see a rapid move following in. So that's a quick note about Nifty chart. Then let's quickly move to Bank Nifty and see how the markets are panning out in Bank Nifty. Just change the settings probably. Okay, no worries. So on the left for Bank Nifty, you'll find the 1-day chart, and on the right it's the 15-minute chart. So like we discussed for Bank Nifty also, we are in a very narrow zone. And let me just quickly clear these drawings from the earlier times. So the immediate resistance follows at 35,360, where we saw a tremendous up move on the other day. Then immediate dip. The immediate support lies around 34,130 odd levels, where we closed around 34,500 odd levels on the other day. Let me just quickly move this to 34,000 odd. Yeah, 3490. So in and around those, that would be the level, and there's a small gap around here of 100 odd points. So if there's a dip, we might actually test that gap all the way towards 33,815, and 33,500 is the next psychological support. So Bank Nifty, the moves would be pretty much volatile, but these are the crisp levels if you see either of the side breaking out. So just to stay cautious, that would be the smaller side of support and resistance. But on the long side, the initial support would lie out 32,190 levels. So those would be the initial supports on the long side, and yeah, let's see where we pan out. And as we discussed on Nifty also, even the same trend followed on Bank Nifty. It was a very much of a consolidated day, honestly, in a range. Yes, you could had made some bucks if you were present on the screen all day, but that's again, once the chart is made, absolutely you can have all the things that you could have done, and so on and so forth. But right in the live market, it was pretty much of a non-tradable day, honestly, because either side, on any side, there's a breakdown, then there's breakup, breakout. There's a lot of noise that happened on Friday. It was actually a stop loss hunting day, is what you could say. So that is what you could term Bank Nifty with, or Nifty on that particular day. And then let's quickly move on to Bank Nifty OI for a second, then let's wrap this up. So we closed around 34,500, 600 odd levels उसके बीच में, and then the immediate resistance, like we spoke, 35,000 and 35,300 on the spot, where about 35,000 is where the open interest lies heavily, and on the downside 34,500 followed by 34,000 is where the put open interest lies out. So unless the either side of the levels break out, we'll be seeing a very much stop loss day, or sort of a consolidated move day. So stay cautious if you're entering into index options. And yeah, also on another side note, do keep a watch on the global front. One of the good websites that you can actually track all the news of global front is Geopolitics, and I guess, yeah, this one, sorry, yeah, geopolitics.com. So stay followed to this website. This is not a promotional thing, it's just one of my friend who actually suggested this website, and it's actually fun. This unlike the Hindu or any other thing which sticks to the Indian news front, this is actually a global front, and then news on the global front, and which keeps you updated. So it's a good thing outside from the noisy news channels that sort of share the tips all the time, which will provoke you to enter a position. This thing, you can just follow the broader news and then your charts as always. So that's a quick note about Nifty and Bank Nifty for you. Let's wrap it up here for the day. And if you have any other questions, please feel free to drop a note in the comment section, or any other social media that you would actually prefer to approach, or even drop an email if you feel so. So that's it. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Go hit the subscribe button, please, and also share it across. Feel free to suggest for any other improvements or any other things that you would like to listen about. So yeah, that's about it. Bye bye.